So over here in this page, you can see that I got buttons right here, and these buttons have certain styles applied to it. If you want to go ahead and change that out, then you can go around over here onto styles, and then what you can do is expand out buttons. So here you can see that you can choose the color of the buttons right here. For example, you can go ahead and select out the color right here, just like this. You can go ahead and choose the color of the button right here. Apart from that, you can go to shape right here and choose square shape right here, just like this. Or you can go for rounded shape right here so that the corners are rounded out. And then you can go for a pill shape as you like as well. Apart from that, you can also go for filled, which is solid, or you can go for a ghost style right here, just like this as well. So only an outline is shown. So that is simply how you can go ahead and change around the style of the button as you need in the page that you have made in Strikingly, and all of the buttons will reflect out the same style. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.